Hey gang, this is Carl here. The hot rod, the yellow hot rod, I've been trying to get it started. And I have no coil and no fuel injector. Well, that troubleshooting was a day long, but it turned out to be the fuse on the fuel injector supply, the fuel pump, fuel injector coils. That's all it was. So once I change that fuse, fuel pump comes on. So what I want to do is give you a first start. This is technically not the first start because I hit the starter button in a half a crank. This thing turned on, started up. I just want to do it here for posterity. And this is just a guess tune. It's a dyno tune that Zach did, and I just changed it to the injectors, 24-pound injectors, and the and I changed it to the let's see, the cubic inches, a little bit like that. All right, first start for the video. I'm going to turn it off as soon as I start it because it's in the garage. And water's going to come out the steam line here because I have. All right. So how you like that? Carl L1, L1 Engines. Take care.